4 options are given below each question. Choose one from these 4 and let us know in the comments section how many of your answers were correct. Question number 1. She dashed to school on time. Option A, go. Option B, goes. Option C, going. Option D, went. Correct answer is option B, goes. She goes to school. Question number 2. They dash football every Sunday. Option A, play. Option B, plays. Option C, playing. Option D, played. Correct. Answer is option A, play. They play football every Sunday. Question number 3. I dash breakfast every morning. Option A, eat. Option B, eats. Option C, eating. Option D, eaten. Correct answer is option A, eat. I eat breakfast every morning. Question number 4. The sun dash in the east. Option A, rise. Option B, rises. Option C, rising. Option D, risen. Correct answer is option B, rises. The sun rises in the east. Question number 5. My brother dash his homework after school. Option A, do. Option B, does. Option C, doing. Option D, did. Correct answer is option B, does. My brother does his homework after school. Question number 6. The teacher dashes a lesson every day. Option A, teach. Option B, teaches. Option C, teaching. Option D, taught. Correct answer is option B, teaches. The teacher teaches us a lesson every day. Question number 7. The baby dash all the time. Option A, cry. Option B, cries. Option C, crying. Option D, cried. Correct answer is option B, cries. The baby cries all the time. Question number 8. We dash dinner together every night. Option A, have. Option B, has. Option C, having. Option D, had. Correct answer is option A, have. We have dinner together every night. Question number 9. The dog dash in the yard. Option A, run. Option B, runs. Option C, running. Option D, ran. Correct answer is option B, runs. The dog runs in the yard. Question number 10. He dashed to work every morning. Option A, drive. Option B, drives. Option C, driving. Option D, drove. Correct answer is option B, drives. He drives to work every morning. Question number 11. My friends dash at the party. Option A, dance. Option B, dances. Option C, dancing. Option D, danced. Correct answer is option A, dance. My friends dance at the party. Question number 12. She dash a cup of tea every afternoon. Option A, drink. Option B, drinks. Option C, drinking. Option D, drank. Correct answer is option B, drinks. She drinks a cup of tea every afternoon. Question number 13. The cat dash on the sofa. Option A, sleep. Option B, sleeps. Option C, sleeping. Option D, slept. Correct answer is option B, sleeps. The cat sleeps on the sofa. Question number 14. I dash my work diligently. Option A, do. Option B, does. Option C, doing. Option D, did. Correct answer is option A, do. I do my work diligently. Question number 15. They dash their car every weekend. Option A, wash. Option B, washes. Option C, washing. Option D, washed. Correct answer is option A, wash. They wash their car every weekend. Question number 16. The river dashed through the valley. Option A, flow. Option B, flows. Option C, flowing. Option D, flowed. Correct answer is option B, flows. The river flows through the valley. Question number 17. The clock dash on the wall. Option A, tick. Option B, ticks. Option C, ticking. Option D, ticked. Correct answer is option B, ticks. The clock ticks on the wall. Question number 18. I dash my teeth twice a day. Option A, brush. Option B, brushes. Option C, brushing. Option D, brushed. Correct answer is option A, brush. I brush my teeth twice a day. Question number 19. He dashed his favorite book every night. Option A, read. Option B, reads. Option C, reading. Option D, readed. Correct answer is option B, reads. He reads his favorite book every night. Question number 20. We dash our exercises every morning. Option A, do. Option B, does. Option C, doing. Option D, did. Correct answer is option A, do. We do our exercises every morning. If you make me your friend on TikTok and YouTube, you will definitely get a lot of benefit from me in the coming time. So, follow and subscribe to the GK series. If you want the PDF of all these quizzes, contact us at the WhatsApp number given below in the description. You will receive it. Thank you for watching us.